Hello and welcome to Prepped Transcribe, the privacy-first note-keeping and transcription tool. In this video, I want to outline the key features of Prepped, and I'll do so by walking through the whole onboarding because it outlines most of the features that we are using. So let's get started. Right here, you'll just simply put in your email address. Hit continue. And here we will send you a 6-digit code in your email, so check your spam as well. At this step, you can decide if you want to have Prepped launch at login. This enables you to use shortcuts if you're in a meeting and you would want to quickly press a key to record the meeting. This basically enables you to quickly do this. And then there are a few permission steps that you will walk through. One is that you will allow Prepped to use your microphone because obviously this is very important in meetings to pick up your own voice. To pick up other voices from meeting participants, we will need the system audio and the keyboard shortcuts I will outline in a second, because this is really handy if you're in a meeting, you hit one key and you can record the meeting right off the bat. All right, so I'll just quickly walk through these permission steps. All right, we are done. So let's hit continue. Here's a short explanation about the keyboard shortcuts that you can use. There are two features. One is starting a recording of a meeting very quickly. It's just hitting the right command key, and then it will automatically start the recording of your meeting. So pretty handy if you're already in a meeting, you forgot to start the recording from the app, you can just quickly hit this key. The other one is a separate feature, pressing and holding the Option key. And this enables you to dictate into any app, Slack, Teams, your notes, for example, if you want to record like a longer transcript of something that you had in mind that you need to write down, you can simply use this. It's definitely faster than typing and a pretty handy feature to use. So let's hit continue here. All right, here you can choose which kind of LLM you want to use. Obviously, we have the local LLM, which will be installed in the next step if you choose so. Additionally, you can also bring your own API key. So if you're trusting a provider like OpenAI or Gemini, then you can put in your API key. It enables a little bit faster processing on the meeting notes itself, but it's your decision at the end. I will use the local LLM key here. The models will be installed in the next steps, already installed on my computer, but you will see a progress bar here installing your local LLM for local processing only. So let's hit continue here. And this was it. I will start the 7-day free trial. You can test the tool, and I'll walk you through a few of the features that we just touched. All right, finish onboarding. Right here, you see all your meeting transcripts and your meeting notes. So here are your meeting notes, here are your transcripts. You can access them right here. So let's pretend I'm just gonna start a meeting. I'll hit the right command key, or I can simply click on start recording here, but let's hit the right command key. It will pop up this window here, and I already see that my voice is picked up correctly. If you don't see anything happening here, you can just simply switch the input source from the microphone dropdown. So right now I'm just recording my meeting and I'm maybe outlining a few next steps. So let's finish the meeting here. And what will happen now, it will create a transcript and create the notes with your local LLM. This might take a few minutes. Obviously, this is a little bit of a rubbish meeting, but you can make changes to it as well. And it will be saved on your laptop as you finish transcribing. Be aware that it can take a little bit longer if you have like a half an hour or an hour meeting. Depending on the laptop that you're using, like which M chip of Apple you're using, it might take a little bit longer, like 5 to 10 minutes to take the meeting notes, because we'll do a lot of processing, obviously. Let's check out how the dictation feature works, because this is a great one. What I can do is just hit and hold the Option key to record my voice, and it will transcribe right afterwards, and it will paste it in this text field. So let's test it out. I'm just brainstorming a little bit. I have a few ideas about how Prepped Transcribe can improve, and I will outline them in the next section. All right. And as you saw, it will also try to trim down the transcript and getting rid of the M's and stuff like this. This was the demo of Prepped Transcribe. I hope you will like the tool. Keep on testing. We have a lot of feature ideas that we want to implement in the next coming weeks. So please drop us a comment if you have certain ideas or certain needs regarding features, and let's keep pushing, and thanks for testing Prepped.